mistakes ng mga freelancer pag nagpa-file ng annual income tax return. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Number 1, not saving the ITR in PDF. Ang recommendation natin, lahat ng tax return na fina-file mo, dapat isave mo yan ng PDF. Isave mo online using Dropbox or Google Drive para masira man yung computer mo, safe ang mga tax returns mo. Number 2, wrong taxable year. So ngayon, ang pinafile natin ay annual income tax return year 2023. So ang taxable year na gagamitin mo ay 2023. Number 3, wrong BIR form. Marami kasing klase ng annual income tax return for individual. Pag 8% freelancer ka, ang gagamitin mong BIR form ay 1701A. Pag ikaw naman ay mixed income earner, yun yung mga may employment income, ang gagamitin mo ay BIR form 1701 version 2018. Number 4, not using BIR form 2307 or yung certificate of creditable tax withheld at source. Ito yung mga may local clients na freelancer, tapos binawasan na yung income nyo ng tax, niremit na kay BIR, dapat binigyan kayo ng BIR form 2307. Gagamitin mo naman ito sa pagpa-file ng income tax return mo as tax deduction or pangbawas sa kailangan mong bayaran na tax. Number 5, failure to deduct the 250,000 non-taxable income. Lalo na sa mga 8% freelancer, manually po nilalagay yung non-taxable na 250,000. Pag nakalimutan mong i-input yung 250,000, mas malaki yung mako-compute na tax na kailangan mong bayaran. Number 6, failure to deduct quarterly tax payments. Pag may binayaran ka sa first quarter, second quarter, or third quarter, quarterly income tax return, ilalagay mo yan sa annual income tax return as tax credits or pangbawas sa kailangan mong bayaran na tax. Number 7, wrong email address. Double check lagi yung email na ilalagay natin dahil dyan magre-reply si BIR ng email confirmation or yung tax return receipt confirmation. Number 8, wrong taxpayer type. Ang taxpayer type natin, usually pag freelancer, professional ang taxpayer type. Pero i-double check mo pa rin yan sa BIR Certificate of Registration mo dahil doon nakalagay kung anong taxpayer type ang nai-register sa'yo. Number 9, not paying your tax on time. Very important. Kahit maaga ka nag-file, for example, January pa lang nakapag-file ka na, tapos may kailangan kang bayaran na tax, pero hindi mo muna siya binayaran, naalala mo na lang after the deadline. For example, May mo na naalala, late pa rin yon kahit maaga ka nakapag-file, hindi mo nabayaran on time, meron ka pa rin late filing penalty. Kaya maganda pag na-receive mo na yung email confirmation ni BIR, i-process mo na rin yung tax payment para hindi mo na makalimutan at hindi ka magka-penalty. That's it guys, malapit na ang deadline, April 15, 2024, mag-file na tayo. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.